If your business was born in the cloud or operates across them, you'll know the challenges of moving data around. CloudRouter from Console Connect intelligently routes and manages your data in a virtual private network like no other, removing headaches and high costs, giving your business the freedom to operate securely across clouds, continents, networks, and applications. It takes away the complexity of network configuration and management, so you can connect clouds with zero equipment. No data center presence or hardware. CloudRouter is also inter-region, so your next server on the other side of the globe and in a different time zone can be added too. And with our interface being so simple, this is both easy and fast. This service is multi-cloud, so it's straightforward to connect to all your other cloud service providers. Moving data around now is where CloudRouter really shines. It routes your traffic directly over our private network, so it's not just fast and secure. You get preferential rates, saving money. However, CloudRouter is much more than just multi-cloud. It's hybrid cloud, which means connecting your private wide area network and clouds is just as straightforward. CloudRouter lets them all talk to each other. You can even go one step further and add in your cloud-based SaaS applications and IoT devices. Build your own Layer 3 meshed network in just a few clicks over one of the best networks in the world, where you can add different enterprise locations, data centers, IoT devices, and last-mile access. A network that is flexible and assured, allowing you to prioritize your network port traffic into 3 class of service options. A network that is self-service, spin up connections for durations of as little as 1 hour. A network that is private, built on our cable capacity that crosses continents and oceans, so everything is fast, safe, and reliable. It really is the simpler, smarter way to connect. CloudRouter by Console Connect.